He rōpū mana ki a mō kai kāinga I te takiwā o Ōwhiro te whanganui a Tara. Toko maha ngā tāngata kua āwhinatia e rātou I tēnei tau, mai ngā mauhere o mua ki te hunga kore kāinga. Ko ōna kaupapa katoa e whai wāhi nui ana I wainga I te hapori. I tai atua e ruera rerekura ki mō kai kāinga ki te kite e aha a rātou manako mo te tauhou.
Ko ia te toihau o mō kai kāinga, he wāhi whakaruru hau mo te hunga kāinga kore me ngā mauhere e putātu ana I te hinaki.
When you compare this year to last year, you're getting more people for accommodation. And we are so fortunate that we have another whare, and that whare is mainly to set up people coming out of Rimataka.
I timata a mō kai kāinga I te tau ko tahi mano iwarau waru te kaumārua, mai tona orokohanga kua puawai te kaupapa.
I started with a culture group. We set up a group under the name of Te Rōpū Matariki because we thought we were a group of stars. And as some say, some of us were monstars rather than thing stars. And from that arose a lot of the problems from families who needed help, you know, and things in the way of social services.
Ko tā rātou mahi he whakauraki I ngā mauhere tai atu ki ngā tangata e kimi whare ana.
Usually when someone comes to here from Rimataka, the word is passed on from that person. We've never had to go to Rimataka to apply. They ring us and they say, could we take so and so? So we do. And we do on the reason that a lot of the guys can't get an address to go to when they're ready to come out on parole. So they know that this place is here.
E hara ko ngā mauherehere me ngā kaumātua a rātou apataki anake, kei konei hoki rātou ki te whakaako I ngā mātāpono o te tiriti ki te hunga rangatōpū.
They send out voluntary workers to the banks and they think so we incorporate the treaty thing with them so that they can have, but they do have quite a good understanding.
Ko te katoa o rātou apataki he tāne.
Mainly men that we accommodate because we're dealing with men who've had problems with their partners, their women partners, assault and all that. So we think that this is a time for them to have time out before we connect them back to their families or to their partners.
Mō kai kāinga, he wāhi whakaora I ngā tāne. Iruere rerekura, te karere.